In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate lead generation in Pipedrive. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that automatically responds to new leads and assigns them to the right person, so you don't have to do all that manually. By the end, every new lead that comes into your Pipedrive account will trigger an email and an assignment update without you lifting a finger. First, open Pipedrive and log into your account. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage workflows. Once you're in, look at the sidebar on the left. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, usually labeled More. Go ahead and click that. From the menu that appears, choose Workflow Automation. This is where all your automated processes live and where we'll build your lead generation flow. Inside Workflow Automation, you can either start from scratch or use one of Pipedrive's ready-made options. To do that, you can click Add Custom Workflow if you want full control, or select the lead generation template if it's available in your account. The template gives you a helpful starting point, but you can always customize it to fit your exact process. Next, we'll set up the trigger, which is what tells Pipedrive when to run this automation. Choose Lead as the object, then select Lead Created as the trigger event. This means that every time a brand new lead is added to your system, whether manually or through a form or integration, this workflow will kick in automatically. Now let's define what happens after the trigger. Click the plus icon to add an action. From the options, choose Email, then Send Email. Here you can pick an existing email template that you've already created, like a welcome or introductory message, or you can set one up beforehand specifically for new leads. Using a consistent template keeps your outreach professional and saves you time. After the email is set, add another action to handle lead assignment. Again, click the plus icon, choose Lead, and then Update Lead Fields. In the fields, find Owner. You can assign the new lead to a specific user, like a dedicated salesperson, or choose a rotating option if your account supports it. A rotating assignment can help distribute leads evenly across your team. Once everything is configured, review your workflow to make sure the trigger and actions look correct. When you're happy with it, switch the workflow from draft to active and then click Save. Your automation is now live, and new leads will start moving through this process automatically.